Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to change your Facebook page URL. This is very easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, go to Facebook and log in to your account. After that, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, to act as your page, just click on your page's profile picture. Then, click on your page's name at the top left. And as you can see, we just want to change this URL right here and make it look more customized. To do that, on the left panel, click on Settings. Now, under Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click on Page Setup. Then you will see something like this. Just click on View on your page's name. And then here you have to set a username. So click on Edit. Once you set your username, it will be put here. So just type your desired username here and check if it's available. When you have set your username, click on Save Changes. Then just enter your Facebook password here and click on Submit. And that's it. If you check our page's URL here, as you can see, we have now successfully changed the URL. And that's how you can easily change your Facebook URL. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.